In today's video, we're gonna unbox a G-Shock worth $8,000. What? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jordan and I'm the host on the You From Them channel. On this channel we talk and unbox the most incredible Casio and Seiko watches. Before I show you the watch, make sure to like this video and subscribe on the channel, because we are gonna give away 5 Casio skeletons when we hit the 1000 subscribers. And believe me when I say, this watch is amazing. You don't want to miss it in your collection. So subscribe on the channel and make a chance. So in today's video we're gonna talk about the Mr. G of this year. The Casio G-Shock MRG-B2000BS-3ADR, the Hana Basara. This is a limited edition with only 400 pieces in total. Let's unbox the $8,000 watch.
This model was announced for June 2021. The watch comes in a big premium G-Shock box. In the brown box is another black G-Shock box with gold colored letters. And in the box you will find an original Mr. G warranty book, with also an original Casio warranty book. The box has a Goyard look-alike print. It shows class and craftsmanship. And in this little box there's also a 5626 caliber instruction book. Now it's time to show you guys the watch. We let everything in plastic because we already sold this watch and want to deliver the watch in the best condition as possible. And here it is, the Casio G-Shock MRG-B2000BS-3ADR, the MRG of 2021. The watch has a case with a diameter of 54.7mm and is 16.9mm thick. The bezel is made of carbon. This is a material that is 4 times as hard as titanium, and to protect the case, the watch has an anti-reflective sapphire glass. On the right side you will see the gold-toned buttons, with also MRG engraved in the crown. On the other side, at the 10 o'clock, you will read 25th Limited. This engraving reminds you that the Mr. G Hana Basara celebrates the quarter century of Mr. G watches. And on the back you can see the edition number. We've got number 238 of the 400 pieces in total. The mid case and bracelet use the hardest known titanium, also known as DAT55, a Japan-made alloy that is 3 times harder than regular titanium and is also used in golf club, for instance. Now let's talk and take a close look at the design and meaning of this particular watch. The name of this watch is Hana Basara. Hana stands for bright and gorgeous, and Basara stands for cool and unconventional. The concept of Hana Basara is to go your own way, to not follow the crowds but to wear what you wanna wear and do what you wanna do. And also to think unconventional thoughts and take pride in doing so. The look of this G-Shock model is inspired by samurai body armor, but not just any armor. Casio commissioned a one-off suit of armor from Suzuki Yusan. What he made was a shiny and green, brown, gold and red suit of samurai armor. It also had the shape of the watch bezel incorporated in the helmet. This is the Mr. G of this year.
Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with me. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this watch. And I don't know if you could hear it, but I'm a little bit ill, so that's why my voice is changing the whole time. And by the way, if you want to win this watch, the only thing you have to do is like this video and subscribe on the channel, because we are gonna give away 5 Casio skeletons when we hit the 1000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.